Good morning, my name is Sebastián Betancourt. Soil degradation and awareness to the degradation is growing around the world. Soil degradation refers to the loss soil quality due erosion, compaction, salinization, seminal pollution, and the other form of degradation. In recent years, numerous initiatives and programs have been carried to the rise and awareness of land degradation and promoting sustainable agriculture practices and proper soil management. The United Nations have declared 2015-2024 such as the United Nations Decade of Family Farming and Conservation and Sustainable Soil Management are one of the key objectives is the initiative. In addition, many countries have implemented policies and regulation to address land degradation and promote sustainable agriculture practices. Sustainable agriculture practices include crop rotation, no-till sending, erosion control, the use of cover crops, and proper management and water and nutrients.
Hi, my name is Paula Gomez and reflect the urgent need to address land degradation in a comprehensive and holistic manner. The situation present emphasizes the importance of considering both production and the lifestyles of consumers and the need to regulate of exploitation of natural resources. In addition, it is important to incentive sustainable practice and internalize the long-term economic cost of sustainable production. This began a call to actions for all actors involved in production and consumption, as well as for police and institutions working together to address land degradation and achieve a sustainable economy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ferney Hernandez. My own argument based in this test is that the complexity of the factors contributing to land degradation and their relationship to global competition choice highlights the importance of a comprehensive and coordinated approach to addressing the problem. The disconnect between consumers and producers, as well as the political, social, and economic factors driving land degradation, can make it difficult to identify and address and underlying causes of the problem. Therefore, concerted action is needed at the local, regional, and global levels to address both the local and global factors. The common land degradation.
Land degradation refers to the process by which quality and productive capacity of the land decreases due to human activity and other environmental factors. This process can be caused by various factors such as soil erosion, salinization, acidification, soil pollution, deforestation, climate change, urbanization, among others. Long-established land management and restoration practices may no longer be viable in the face of climate change. Despite these risks, nature-based climate adaptation and mitigation action remain